I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you choose between an evergreen niche and a trend-driven niche for a faceless channel? Use this rule. Choose based on time horizon, not excitement. An evergreen niche gives you slower feedback, but your videos can keep working for months or years. A trend-driven niche gives you faster feedback, but the shelf life is usually short. So the real question is not which one is better, it's which one matches your operating speed. I look at 3 things. First, content half-life. Will this topic still matter in 6 months or only for 6 days? Second, production speed. Can you research, script, edit, and publish before the moment passes? If not, trends will punish you. Third, channel memory. Do you want a searchable library that compounds or a channel that wins by being early over and over? Here's the beginner decision rule. If you do not already have a fast publishing system, start Evergreen. It is more forgiving, easier to standardize, and better for building repeatable faceless formats. If you can consistently ship inside a 24 to 72 hour window, then trend-driven can work, but expect volatility. For most beginners, the best setup is Evergreen at the niche level, then use trends as a layer on top. And if you're managing both, Satura helps as the workflow layer, so trend videos don't break your Evergreen pipeline. So the short answer is, if your system is slow, choose durable. If your system is fast, you can play trends.